BTBT stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday is BTBT stock buy. I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1-minute video. I am the only person in the stock trading space that's done over 43,000 videos over 5 years, and I've documented everything, so I have seen what's printing and what's making me money. BTBT is an already decent bullish market. Like, genuinely speaking, if the price pulls down and gives me a confirmation, that's the only way where I would look to take it further up. But bro, what I'm not going to do is just randomly start buying here, you know what I mean? So that's that. If I don't see this confirmation, there's just no way I'm looking to take it further up. I know we have the gap here and whatever, but yeah, if there's no confirmation, I'm just not buying. Like, I do have a lot of receipts here as well, with about 7 results. And then the biggest factor here is going to be just being patient. You know, now I have my bullish idea set up here in place pre-market, but guess what? If rules are not met, then I have no business freaking coming here buying like randomly. You know what I mean? So stay tuned. And if you want to get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.